I got you, people. So a lot of things are happening that the world is changing, right? A lot of businesses are using more technology than ever before. And a lot of people are losing their jobs or getting replaced from the jobs and getting put somewhere else. So it looks like a lot of union workers are not liking that, and they don't want these changes because they're afraid that they're going to lose their jobs. It's not they're afraid. They should be afraid because they are going to lose their jobs, because technology is so advanced that you don't need certain people doing certain things. So a lot of shipping port docks, right, have already advanced technology that they don't need a crane operator lifting these cranes and moving them around above people's head, because it's dangerous. Because one of these containers will go loose and fall. It's going to destroy most equipment, containers, maybe fall on somebody and create a problem. So a lot of shipping docks are getting rid of crane operators and putting these new automated crane operators, right? You don't need a person actually working outside, out in the field where it's dangerous to others. So a lot of people are working these cranes from monitors and things like that. And then they have another system that are big operators, like robotic tractors, that will pick up the containers and put them in the slots where they belong. So a lot of union workers are striking and protesting that they don't want this going on, that they don't want the company to upgrade. So they threatened the company that they was going to strike, right? At least 300 workers to 500 workers are on strike, and all different types of unions that got shipping ports here in America, because they don't want to get replaced by these automated machines. So they threatened the companies that they were going to strike and hold back shipment, because a lot of shipments not going to get out because they busy striking, and they're going to obstruct traffic of these merchandise. So that's what I say, people. You have to have a job, a skill that's going to help you continue to work if you're getting laid off from your previous job. You have to learn a second skill that you can work from reporting to an employer. That's important, because technology now is changing. Look at the mass transit here in New York City, right? Before, you used to have clerks in these booths assisting the people. They're not there anymore, because a lot of them got replaced by Metro cars, and tap your phone into the toe, and they take payments from there. So there's no need to have somebody in these booths when they're not gonna give you any more Metro cards. There's no need for Metro cards no more, right? Everything is paid out of your phone, directly from your phone. You know, they call it tap and go, and that's how it works. So a lot of clerks got replaced by this tap and go. You know, tap and go, and you can go too. So they lost their jobs. So that's what's happening in the world now. A lot of people are getting replaced by technology, and also a lot of auto industries are already laying off mass people out of work from these auto factories, because a lot of robots are doing all this themselves, right? The thing is, the only problem I see with this, how is the government going to get revenue if you don't have actual person working on the floor and getting taxes deducted? You know, how is the government going to deduct taxes from a robot if, you know, there's no actual people there so you can deduct this revenue from? So that's what I got my mind on, how the government is going to get revenue of these people, or they're going to wait for these people that got fired or misplaced to get other job and continue getting revenue. But anyway, people, you got to think about that. Technology is here, and it won't be stopped. And that's the thing of the future, robotics. And with that, people, I'll let you go. You think about that.